When a runner's foot hits the pavement, massive kinetic energy transfers directly into the ground. We trust the shoe to absorb that shock, compress, and snap back into shape, mile after mile. To withstand those repetitive impacts, the shoe functions as a precision-engineered composite machine. Beneath the sleek exterior, there are over 30 individual raw components working in tandem. The engineering challenge is maintaining the integrity of the contact points between stretchy knits, spongy foams, and rigid rubbers, while they absorb hundreds of pounds of force. To see how these materials integrate, we must map the anatomy of the shoe to the factory floor, starting from the top down. In the textile wing of the factory, modern manufacturing has replaced the traditional method of stitching together patches of leather. Today, the skin of the shoe, the upper, is constructed using computerized 3D knitting. Massive, highly programmed automated looms rapidly weave thousands of vibrant synthetic threads into a single, seamless, structurally sound garment. The machines alter the weave density on the fly, creating rigid support around the heel and loose, porous zones over the toes where the foot requires breathability. 3D knitting transforms the upper into a structurally optimized zero-waste cocoon. Moving into the chemical and molding wing, the focus shifts to the midsole. This is the engine of the shoe, responsible for cushioning and kinetic energy return. The process relies on ethylene vinyl acetate, or EVA foam. Tiny, dense plastic pellets are melted down and injected into a heavy steel mold. Intense oven heat causes the dense liquid to rapidly expand, filling the internal cavity of the mold. This expansion creates millions of microscopic air bubbles trapped within the solidifying foam, forming the essential shock-absorbing structure. The midsole's mechanical performance is the result of this chemical baking process that traps energy-absorbing air. At the heavy-duty pressing stations, the factory produces the bottommost zone, the outsole. The outsole is engineered specifically for friction and abrasion resistance against asphalt. Hard carbon rubber undergoes a specialized process of high-pressure vulcanization, where it is stamped into deeply textured tread patterns. This creates the armor that protects the softer chemical engine of the midsole from the road. On the final assembly line, the textile, foam, and rubber components meet. During the lasting process, the flexible knit upper is pulled over a foot-shaped mold to establish its final three-dimensional geometry. Next is the cementing phase, where heat-activated primers and industrial adhesives are applied to all three sections. This step requires the adhesives to bridge the physical gap between a porous fabric, a spongy foam, and a dense rubber. A final high-pressure press crushes the components together, activating the cement and fusing the shoe into one piece. This final assembly integrates textiles, chemistry, and engineering to transform raw materials into a unified kinetic tool.